Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to get or enable dark mode on TikTok. So this will apply for the TikTok app on iOS, Android devices, basically anything running the TikTok application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up TikTok and select the profile icon in the bottom right, and then select the hamburger icon in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Underneath Content and Display, go down and select Display. And then where it says Dark, go ahead and select the Dark Mode option. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. As always, thank you guys for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.